Imagine a place where nature meets luxury. A place where we can hide and seek together. It is the right time to take a break from the beach and have an intimate moment by the jungle. With every space, every texture, every smell, and every moment, we have found our finest inspiration, our most profound meaning of what luxury is for us. We are not building alone. We are creating together. We are not a group. We are a family. And this particular project, is exactly what makes us different. What sets us apart from the ordinary. Let's walk this path together. Let's find luxury where nobody else has looked. Hacienda Tuk Tulum. Redefining the meaning of luxury.